1. A teenager's prayer. Question number 1. Read the extract and do the activities. Question number 1. Simple factual activities. Choose the correct alternatives and complete the sentence. Answers are directly given and underlined. Number 1. According to the poet, new beginnings are brought by each new day. न्यू बिगिनिंग्स एंड न्यू एंडिंग्स ये दिया हुआ है, न्यू बिगिनिंग्स एंड न्यू एंडिंग्स करके. तो आपको जो अंडरलाइन दिया हुआ है उसके ऊपर लिखना है. जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है न्यू बिगिनिंग्स है ना, तो आपको दो ऑप्शंस दिएंगे, न्यू बिगिनिंग्स एंड न्यू एंडिंग्स. तो आपको लिखना है न्यू बिगिनिंग्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. वी मस्ट डिसाइड टू टेक द रोड विच लीड्स टू डैश ग्रेट डिस्ट्रेस एंड ग्रेट सक्सेस. तो आपको लिखना है ग्रेट सक्सेस. Question number 3. The age group of the speaker in the poem is dash. तो 13 to 19 है और 20 to 25 है. तो आपको लिखना है 13 to 19. A2. Complex factual activity. Complete the verbs. Answer is directly given. इस तरीके से ड्रॉ करना है. The decision that the speaker has to make. Number 1. Choosing the right path of life lying before him. Number 2. Deciding if to choose the road that leads to success or to great distress. A3. Activities based on poetic devices. Number 1. Write the pairs of rhymes words from the extract. Answer: make, take, success, distress. Question number 2. Read the extract and do the activities. Number 1. Simple factual activities. Choose the correct alternatives and complete the sentence. Answers are directly given and underlined. Number 1. The poet prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is dash might and right. तो आएगा right. The poet prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is right. Number 2. The poet wants to see that his teenage years have been the dash of his life. Worst and best. दो ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है, worst and best. तो आपको लिखना है best.